What is up guys, in this video we are going to learn what is template strings in JavaScript and how we can use template strings in our codes. First I will explain what is template strings. Template strings are used to provide dynamic data in the output. For example, if you want to show product information or something, we can have some sentence like the product price is and the product name is something like that, and the product price has some value, right? And the product name has some value, right? The product price and the product name values are dynamic. Okay, we can provide these dynamic values into the strings. Okay, I will just show you the code and then you can able to understand it better. Okay, here we have product name and product price. If I want to show some information about this product name and product price, I can use simply console.log to print the output in a old way. The old way is we are going to use the plus method to concat strings. Product name is then I can concat product name and price is here we have the output of product name is $8 and the price is $300. Here actually we have 4 strings. Product name is one string, product name which is the value is the second string, and product and price is the third string, and product price is the value is the first string. Here we are concatenating these 4 strings into a single string to get the output, right? This is the older way of getting output. Okay, now I am going to show you an example of how to get the same output using template strings. Console.log. Template string starts with backtick one key in the left of backtick is left to the one key in the keyboard. Okay, it starts with backtick and ends with backtick, and then same product name is when you want to provide some values in the template strings, you can use the $sign with some curly brackets, $sign and open curly brackets and close curly brackets. Here I want to provide name, so product name, and price is again product price. Okay, now again run the code. Here we can see we have the same output, right? Spelling mistake. Okay. Now we have seen the basic example of how to use the backticks. The backticks have so many advantages. We can also do some math operations within that. We can also call functions within that. We can use ternary operators within that. First, I'm going to show you one by one. Console.log backtick. Something. Here, I'm going to just multiply 10 into 10. 10 into 10. Now run the code. Something 100. Okay. Here I'm going to show you today date. Today date is here. I'm going to call this function get today date. This get today date function gets the data object and returns the cumulative date. Today date. Here we have the output of today date is 15/12/2019. Okay. Next thing is We can also achieve multi-lines in template strings without line breaks. Console.log backticks line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4. Then again run. Okay, here we can see our output has 4 lines. Okay, line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4 with no line breaks. The template string just takes whatever you provides. Even if you provide some space in the start of the line, it's going to take that. Again run. Here you can see, here I provide some spaces, and output also has some spaces. You don't need to use line breaks, you don't need to use tab spaces. I think I pretty much covered everything for the basics. Okay, hope you guys you like this tutorial. If you like this video, thumbs up. If you dislike this video, thumbs down. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye, peace.